Norway welcomed us with beautiful days and colorful nights. The golden hue of the sun and the alpine glow on the snow-capped mountains and fjords made things perfect for photography. The nights were magical with the aurora dance in the moonlight. Changed quite quickly. Soon, the snow took over with heavy storms and low visibility. Light at times peeked out of the gray clouds to spill some colors, but in the next moment heavy snowfall would change conditions. Howling winds, hailstorms and relentless snow and slush made outdoor conditions extremely wild. It was an experience worthy enough to pull us back soon to this land of Vikings.